Is this the flagship smartphone of 2021? Well, it's time to find out. This is the box of the OnePlus 9 Pro, and as you can see here, it's 5G ready, as well as there is a partnership with Hasselblad for the camera. So in this standard OnePlus packaging, now you have an edge on the left side which is for Hasselblad, and at the back there is some important information. First of all, what we have here is the Morning Mist variant of the phone with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Also, the phone weighs 197 grams, which is a lot, to be honest. Now, without wasting any more time, let me just open this and show you the first look of the OnePlus 9 Pro on India Today Tech. And here's the star of the show. Here is a flagship phone from OnePlus. Let me just remove this plastic from it, and so yeah, this is the Morning Mist color variant that OnePlus has sent us, and it looks pretty good. This is the glass back. The new camera module which comes with the Hasselblad branding is also here. I'll just give you a closer look at it. So this is here as well. Now what OnePlus has done here is that it has launched this phone in 3 color variants. This one, as I told you, is the Morning Mist, and all these color variants have their own USPs or highlights. Now as for the weight, I told you this weighs 197 grams, but the weight seems to be very evenly distributed here. And I'll remove this tray from here. In fact, we'll have to open this tray because here you get a lot of paperwork. Here is the 65-watt charger that you get with the OnePlus 9 Pro as well as the OnePlus 9. It's the same charger, and there is a Type-C to Type-C USB charging cable. Now, there's one more thing in the box which I wanted to talk about at the very end, which is this case that the OnePlus is packing. And it comes at a time when some of the other premium smartphone makers have actually removed the protective case from their phones. OnePlus is packing this pretty decent protective case. As far as the numbers and specifications go, what you get here is a 6.7-inch QHD Plus AMOLED with LTPO, which is on this display what you're getting is a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes it fairly smooth, but you also get this on the OnePlus 9 as well. Now let's just test the display quality here for a second, and the advantage with this particular phone is that since it's a QHD Plus display, you can actually stream content at 1440p. Now, moving on, in terms of performance, what you get is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which is the latest chipset that Qualcomm has come up with, and there are 2 variants. One is the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, and the other one is 12GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. Now as far as the camera goes, you have 4 lenses here. The main lens is of 48 megapixel. The secondary lens is a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. There's a 2 megapixel monochrome lens and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, which was missing on the OnePlus 9. So in total you get 4 lenses here, along with the 16 megapixel front camera. There's a 4500 mAh battery on the phone. 65-watt charger is what you get inside the retail box, as well as the phone supports wireless charging too.